Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Close.com to Google Calendar for pipeline meeting tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Close.com account. Navigate to your settings by clicking on the gear icon located in the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, find and select the integrations option. Look for the Google Calendar integration in the integrations list. Click on Connect next to the Google Calendar option. You will be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. Grant Close.com the necessary. Once confirmed, you will be redirected back to Close.com. Now, go to your pipeline settings. Locate the specific pipeline you want to track meetings for. Click on the pipeline to view its details. In the pipeline settings, look for the Calendar Integrations section. Select your preferred Google Calendar from the drop-down menu. Adjust any settings related to meeting notifications and reminders. Save your changes to confirm the integration. To check if the integration was successful, open your Google Calendar. Look for events created from your Close.com pipeline meetings. You should now see your Close.com meetings appearing in your Google Calendar. If you encounter any issues, revisit the integration settings in Close.com. Ensure that your Google account permissions are correctly set. With this setup, your meetings will be automatically tracked in your Google Calendar. Now you can easily manage your pipeline meetings in one convenient place. This completes the tutorial on connecting Close.com to Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.